let me know if you need anything from Nature Boy Alex. I'll be there to help you guys. Now,
Okay,
remember,
sir.
Splendor Hills, we don't allow noise, music, drinking.
Hey, sir.
I'm so busy today. I just left you there, then I went. I was so busy. So how are you?
It's
You like the
okay.
place?
Having a great time.
You are having a good time. So all these your tents too.
Yes, yes, sir.
So today we have experienced a little bit heat around Splendor Hills. I mean, it's been very hot this past few days. But the good thing with Splendor Hills, although there's a heat, there's always a wind that blows it away. So you can still feel it right, like now you don't feel like a summer, right? At least nights 100% cooler. Daytime depends with the wind. So did you enjoy the sunset? How was
Yes.
it? Majestic, right?
Yes.
So anyways, enjoy Splendor Hills. You'll be having your peace here, and let me know if you need anything from Nature Boy Alex. I'll be there to help you guys. Now,
Okay,
remember,
sir.
Splendor Hills, we don't allow noise, music, drinking. You can just have your little drink, but peacefully. But any noise that disturbs the camper is a no-no. So
Okay, sir.
if you complain about them that they're noisy, they are going home.
Okay, sir.
Like that. There's no, oh sorry, we don't do it. No. It's not negotiable. That's why we only accept 50%. If you're trying to pay full payment, we don't accept it, because just in case, if your camping doesn't go right, you don't comply with our noise policy, we give you back your money and peg your tent. You go back home. So
Okay,
just
sir.
enjoy Splendor Hills, and God bless you guys.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. So we raised this up. We brought them here. So very good. So
Okay,
enjoy
sir.
yourself, right?
Okay, sir.
Awesome.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Are you okay?
Dumugo ilong ko. Pero okay. Okay rito sa Splendor Hills. Ayan o. Diba, relax na relax lang. Bawal ang maingay. Bawal ang inumin na hard. So, light lang. Mamaya. Okay. Ayan. So, pag hindi ka sumunod sa patakaran nila, uwi ka. Huwag ka makulit. Okay. First time. Alright, let's go. Ayan. Ayan o. Ito tayo dyan. And and wait. Alis dyan.
Tapos I'm dying of burn. Meh.
Nice.
It's really melted.
Hindi mainit.
Next, ikaw ma. Try mo mo.
Nasaan? Oh. Nasaan yung ano?
Yung.
Ito yung mga soft drink ko.
Mm.
10 out of 10. Oh, so you wanna try no?
Masarap din siguro kasi yung itong ano. Ito. Okay ko yung ulo. Sarap ito.
No, ito kasi yung masarap. Hmm?
Apo.
Yung kapo niya, hindi ano. Hindi masama.
Hindi. Yan ang ginagamit ng mga chef na kagaya ko. Ay!
Sun, how are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, light. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, sun. Good morning, light. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and in love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, sun. Good morning, light. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and love. Good morning, sun.
Ayun oh. Babagsak na. Ayan oh. Dahil nagpapalipad ng saranggola dito. Galing ah. Sige, bitawan mo habang malakas ang hangin. Go! Oh, hila. Ayan, pag hindi maano ang hangin, hila-hila konti. Ano, mataas na? Saan na?
Yun yung bench yung kulay eh.
Taas na.
Parang teriya.
So,
Pareho. Haba na gano'n. Ay, paano